Well, Tickle Me Teal, the XGT tool that I've been using every day for the last year, has now joined the LXT platform. This is the 18-volt brushless dust blower from Makita. With this tool, applications are as limited as your imagination, whether you're cleaning out dust from holes, ready to secure anchors, or taking some dust off your drop saw to get that perfect miter. You also might just use it to clean the dust off yourself at the end of the day. Changing nozzles is a cinch, and it does come with a range of 5 nozzles in total to get you started, 3 of which are variations on dust blowing. One's a wide angle nozzle and the other is a pinch nozzle for inflating your inflatables, air mattresses, and the like. You can also get additional accessories like this hose attachment, great for cleaning out computers and electrical, also those aforementioned anchor holes. And there's also an attachment that goes on the rear of this tool which takes all the same nozzles and can be used for rapid deflation. With regards to controls and specs, it's the same as the XGT unit. You got 4 airspeed controls on the base of the handle. The top airspeed is 200 meters per second, moving 1.1 cubic meters of air every minute. And if you look on that trigger for continuous runtime with a 6 amp hour LXT battery, you get between 55 and 21 minutes of use depending on whether you're low or high. The work light will blink to let you know the battery's getting low before it runs out. And with the amount of air you turn over with this tool, you do want to keep that filter clean. It's easy to do so on the rear of the tool. You've also got a reinforced steel tether point if you're working at height. That's the LXT 18-volt brushless dust blower. It's in your Makita aisle right now at your local Sydney Tools store. You can head online to sydneytools.com.au for the full specs and to order yours online. If you've got any questions, you can hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim. Thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.